Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove audio background noise in a Filmora. So if you got distracting background noise ruining your content or videos, here I'm going to show you how you can remove it easily to make your videos look professional in terms of quality. So you can just open Filmora in your mobiles and then you can just tap on new project and select the videos that you want to edit. Tap on import after you select the videos. So here's the video that I want to edit. As you guys can hear that there's so many noise in the background. So in Filmora, if you want to remove it, you can just easily do it using the noise reduction features. So click on the clip, and here in the bottom you'll see a lot of menu. You can just swipe until you find the noise reduction option. So tap on that and Filmora will automatically reduce some noise from your videos, and that's it. Now your video will be noise free. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment and click on the thanks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.